Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux as well as the robot operating system. Messaging system between parts for a robot. The Raspberry Pi is connected to a serial cable, HDMI cable to this monitor which is now idle, and a network cable for virtual network computing, as well as a bent cable to this breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik. The purpose is to get everything running, programming in C++, and the ROS system is used for addressing the separate items: LED, another LED, phototransistor and motor. Does it all work? Not quite yet as intended. Some timing is an issue and some counting is an issue. So with that said, let's run things and see how I can set things straight if possible. Before I show how things would work, this is then the desktop on-floor Linux with VNC desktop, via Tiger VNC, on the Raspberry Pi. So the camera viewer is on the laptop. This is running on the laptop. Necessary, let me name this. So this is serial minicom connection. Necessary to boot and then being able to set the VNC server. Then software running on the Raspberry Pi. Few terminals, ROS core running, necessary for ROS core to do anything, for ROS to do anything. Then another desktop with source code. By lack of space, or because of lack of space, also a tablet with VNC with motor and red LED node running soon. And you also see I will use VNC on a Mac to compile if necessary. For now, let's just run things. Control. Then motor on the tablet, and the motor is running immediately right here. Then red LED, which will start now. Oh, that runs nicely. Then back here, and those two I started from the tablet. Now from here, phototransistor, and that's a count that should be fixed, and the fischertechnik LED. That also shows some stuff that isn't correct because I changed the counter, which is not doing anything yet. So, how to go on? Well, trying to fix things. And this, these are subscribers to the phototransistor. This is the LED, fischertechnik LED, and this is the phototransistor. But as you can see, a value should be running constantly, changing constantly, and that does not happen. So there's a timing issue. Now I do see something here, but that is from the Control F FT LED. Is that from here? No, that is control, not counter. So here is why is a counter being sent over and the control not sent over, or sent over and the other one not. That is where I left off last time. And I find that I am actually making it difficult myself, because I have 3 messages, as you can see here. Message 2, message 3 and message 1. But here I am publishing message 1. Then for photo I'm publishing message 2, and for the photo being 0 also message 2. That should be, for clarity, another message. Same for the count. Message 3 and message 3 should be another message. So what I am going to do is make it 5 different messages to make very clear which is which. So I will say message 2 and message 3 are alright. Adding, but a number is just a number, so this will be message 22 then, because that doesn't matter at all. Message 22, and this will become message 33. And again, it doesn't matter how you do it. Then this also 22 and 23, 33. So now this stays the same. This will become 22. This will become 22 and 22, 22, and that's the correct thing to do. Now this will stay the same, this one will not. So again here, adding another 3, another 3, another 3, here the same. This will be another 3, and now I am looking at Control FT, because that is a different message. Should I change even more? Most likely. But not necessarily. Let's just stay with the messages. So I am where is my cursor? Where has my cursor gone? Something is not quite alright. Okay, I am going to line 122. Yeah, that's correct. Now I can say right. And yeah. So here I am subscribing. And now I have to change things here and adapt them for message 22 and 23 and 33. So let me do that off screen. So I have added also publisher 22 and 33, and subsequently here also subscriber 22 and 33, as well as callbacks 22 and 23. So if I scroll up, 33 and 22 with their respective messages and fallbacks. Will this work? I can only find out if I check the things. So I will have to cancel this one, and I will have to cancel this one, which does not work. So I have now to go to the screen on my Mac to complete this stuff. So let's go there. Right, on the Mac, as you can see, and first identifying which process still runs, with here set to Catkin make, but I can see that the FT LED is still running. So let's end that one. Copy, paste, and on the other screen I can see that FT LED is indeed killed. Catkin make for all the changes that I have made. Will it work out or won't it? Hopefully it will, because you have to do something to solve your problems. And in case of doubt, just try. And this is taking a bit longer than expected, but there are two files that I have changed, FT LED and phototransistor, this one as well as this one. And that looks like alright. Yes, they are alright. So I can try. And back on the Linux desktop, laptop, running phototransistor and running the LED. And if I don't see any differences, it just means they are not being published, because they are not valid. So why do I see twice message 2? This should be message 2, which is then correct. Do I have made a mistake here? So far I don't see it. It is with this one, and yes, I have made a mistake here. Line 16, and I should have set 33 here, and I should have set 22 here. So yes, I made a mistake. Ouch. That means that I have to recompile. and that is, let's see, not that one, this one, which is difficult to kill. So let me do that and recompile and see if that works out. Right, and that was much quicker because it was a much smaller change. So let's start this one again, and let's start this one, and that should give, see, and this is strange, or is it? This is 2 and this is 22. 22 says phototransistor, yes, and 22 says no phototransistor, which is not correct then. 3 and 33 both give exactly the same, which is not possible because, or do I? Have I? No, it's 33 and 3. And if count, let's say photo, it can be either 1 or 0, not both at the same time. So why am I seeing 2 and 22? This makes no sense at all. If it is 0, no, if it is 1, send phototransistor. Yeah, so phototransistor. Okay, but why no phototransistor? I make a mistake somewhere. Still. But for now, time is up. Motor running. This LED is doing okay, but my code is not quite okay, unfortunately. That's what you say with better next time. So, what have I improved? Well, not much actually, unfortunately. And I also see that, well, things are not looking for better in case of information. Anyway, motor runs, but it already did. That one ran, which it already did. And of course the Raspberry Pi still runs, and this one still runs with both motor and the red LED. So nice idea, but hard to prove, hard to improve. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please take a look at my website, which is under this video mentioned. Also more information in the next segment. You can donate via PayPal or Wired, and you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned. This is of course going to be continued. Have a nice day, and bye bye.